So today I'm demonstrating my OmniShaver that John sent me. Thank you, John, I appreciate it. So first of all, I'm going to start off with putting some shaving cream in my hair. It's about 2 days worth of growth. I think slick stuff works better, more greasy, oilier stuff. I didn't like the conditioner in it. It kind of clogged up my razor, but this stuff seems to work really good. So my hands would always hurt because I have carpal tunnel real bad, and my hands would always hurt when I try to shave my head. This has saved that a whole bunch. So here we go. I've tried it both ways, short, fast, long strokes. They both work about the same for me. It's better on bumps than a regular shaver. Ain't having to rinse it off, which saves so much time. It was hard to get used to though. Really slick, real good shave. Clean up the back a little bit. Slick as a baby's butt. Thanks, John. Appreciate it. OmniShaver is the way to go.